Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the interval of convergence. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about ratio test. That means we will have AK equals to this one. Now we have AK plus 1. So we will got like this, but we will have number 1 in here and number 1 in here. So this one we will got about 4x minus 9 to the power of k multiplied by 4x minus 9. This one you got about number 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of k. Now about ratio test, you will got about the limit, and k will go to positive infinity, and we have the absolute value, and you got about ak plus 1 over ak. So AK plus 1, that's about this one, and AK, that's about this one. So if we simplify everything in here, you will got about 4x minus 9 over number 3. This is the absolute value, and we know that if we want to find the convergence, this one should be smaller than number 1. So that means we just have this one left like this, and we don't need to use the limit anymore. So that should be 4x minus 9 over 3. Because this is the absolute value, so you will got about negative number 1 is smaller than 4x minus 9 over 3 and smaller than number 1. Next, we multiply both sides by number 3. So this one in the middle should be about 4x minus 9. Next, we put positive number 9 for the both sides. And this one you got about 0. 9 minus 3 you got about 6. 9 plus 3 you got about 12. Next, we divide both sides by number 4. And now we got the final answer. That's about 3 over 2 and number 3. So the radius of convergence, that should be like this. That's about from 3 over 2 to number 3. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.